So while there were many survivors who were rescued as well, 18 lives were lost, including the pilot and the co-pilot. However, remember, the heroic approach of at least the two pilots saved many other passengers on board. How and why? Take a look at this report on Captain TV Sathe and co-pilot Akhilesh Sharma.
The heroism of two pilots saved most of the 190 passengers who were on the Air India Express flight that crashed after landing in Kozhikode Friday night. But in the process, the two pilots, 59-year-old Wing Commander Deepak Vasant Sathe and 33-year-old Captain Akhilesh Kumar, lost their own lives. Wing Commander Sathe was considered one of the best pilots of Air India Express. He was a decorated former Indian Air Force pilot with 36 years of flying experience. Sathe was a recipient of the Sword of Honor and served IAF for 21 years. He joined as a commercial pilot in 2005. He had flown the Airbus 310 for Air India before moving to Air India Express to fly the Boeing 737.
सगळे एअरफोर्सचे आठीच्या आठी प्राइजेस त्यांना पहिला महाराष्ट्रीयन ऑफिसर मिळाले होते. सोर्ड ऑफ ऑनर निजामाची जी कधी कोणाला मिळत नाही, आमच्या मुलाला मिळाली होती. पण त्यांनी कधी एक पैशाचा गर्व कधी केला नाही. मला सांगायचा की कोरोनामुळे तू बाहेर पडू नको, तुला काही झालं तर मला वाईट वाटेल, पण आता काय करायचं देवापुढे, ऐसा सब होता है तो क्या कर सकते.
Based on his stellar aviation experience, Wing Commander Sathe tried to save the flight and the passengers by turning off the engine right before the crash. This prevented the aircraft from catching fire.
The captain had more than 10,000 hours of flying experience. He had landed on this very airfield, I think as many as 27 times, including this year. So in terms of professional competence, etc., we couldn't have had a more experienced and a highly decorated person at the command.
Deepak Sathe's father was a brigadier in the army and his brother sacrificed his life in the Kargil war. Co-pilot Akhilesh Sharma hailed from Mathura. He was appointed as a pilot in 2017 and is survived by his pregnant wife.
तुलसीराम जी, अखिलेश जी आपके कौन लगते थे?
बेटा है बड़ा.
अच्छा, एयरप्लेन जो क्रैश हुआ है जहाज, जो उसमें उनकी अच्छा, कैसे आपको सूचना कैसे मिली? आप
वहीं से फोन आया था.
अच्छा, क्या बताया उन्होंने?
यही बताई सीरियस हालत है.
The ill-fated flight has left many mourning the loss of their loved ones. More than 170 passengers who survived to tell the tale have Sathe and Sharma to thank for that.
The cockpit control column or the steering of the aircraft is dismantled, as well as the detailed wiring has come out. The instruments, the conventional instruments, I can only see one, of which at least 6 of them are regularly in the cockpit, regularly seen in the cockpit, of which just one, I can see only one. There's a shoe which is also outside. So quite a catastrophic event for the pilots also. One can only imagine what went through their mind in the final moments. Hope the cockpit voice recorder and the flight data recorder gives a clear picture of the last few moments of the Air India Express crash. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.